everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today's video is going to be awesome, so get ready. The human spine is a complex and crucial structure. Here are some facts about the spine. The spine is composed of 33 individual bones called vertebrae. These vertebrae are stacked on top of each other, forming a flexible column, but most adults have 24 because some vertebrae fuse together during growth. The spine has 5 regions: cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral, and coccygeal. The spine's S-shaped curvature is due to the different flexibility, movement, and joint articulation of each region. The spine's vertebrae are separated by intervertebral discs, which are designed like coiled springs. The disc's gel-filled center, called the nucleus, acts like a ball bearing when you move. As people age, their discs lose the ability to reabsorb fluid, which is why people get shorter. Nerve compression from conditions like herniated discs or bone spurs can cause pain, such as sciatica. Here's a breakdown of its key parts and functions. Cervical vertebrae. Located in the neck, these vertebrae allow for a wide range of motion. Thoracic vertebrae. Located in the upper back, these vertebrae connect to the ribs and form the thoracic cage. Lumbar vertebrae. Located in the lower back, these vertebrae support the weight of the upper body. Sacrum. 5 fused vertebrae that form the back of the pelvis. Coccyx or tailbone. 4 fused vertebrae at the very end of the spine. Intervertebral discs. These are cushion-like structures that sit between each vertebra. They act as shock absorbers, allowing for flexibility and movement while protecting the vertebrae from wear and tear. Spinal cord. This delicate bundle of nerves runs through the center of the spinal column. It transmits messages between the brain and the rest of the body, enabling movement, sensation, and vital bodily functions. Functions of the spine. Support. The spine provides structural support for the entire body, allowing us to stand upright. Protection. The spine protects the delicate spinal cord from injury. Movement. The spine allows for a wide range of motion, including bending, twisting, and flexing. Shock absorption. The intervertebral discs absorb the impact of daily activities, such as walking, running, and jumping. The spine is a vital component of the human body, enabling us to move, feel, and function. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. See you next time.